In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to connect English with mathematics and graphing lines. In our first example, we want to translate each sentence into an algebraic equation. Enrico weighs 7 kilograms more than Julian. The sum of their masses is 183 kilograms. Let's take a look at the first sentence. I'm going to represent Enrico's mass with the variable of E. 7 kilograms more corresponds to plus 7, and I'm going to represent Julian's mass with the variable J. Therefore, when I put all of these things together, I get E is equal to J plus 7, which means Enrico weighs 7 kilograms more than Julian. Let's take a look at the second sentence. Sum corresponds to addition, and 183 kilograms is just 183. Since I've already represented Enrico's mass with E and Julian's mass with J, I can write the following. E plus J is equal to 183, which means the sum of their masses is 183 kilograms. In our second example, we want to translate each sentence into an algebraic equation. At a school concert, 355 tickets were sold. There were 51 more student tickets sold than adult tickets. Let's take a look at the second sentence first. 51 more corresponds to plus 51. Student tickets can be represented by the variable of S, and adult tickets can be represented by the variable of A. Therefore, when I put all of these things together, I get S is equal to A plus 51, which corresponds to there were 51 more student tickets sold than adult tickets. Next, I want to take a close look at the first sentence. 355 tickets sold corresponds to the number 355. Since the number of student tickets sold is represented by S and the number of adult tickets sold is represented by A, we can write the following. S plus A is equal to 355, which means at a school concert, 355 tickets were sold in total. In our last example, we want to translate each sentence into an algebraic equation. A rectangle has a perimeter of 172 centimeters. The length of the rectangle is 23 centimeters longer than twice the width. Let's take a look at the second sentence first. Length can be represented by the variable of L. I like to use a handwritten L so that it doesn't look like a number 1. Is corresponds to an equal sign. 23 centimeters longer corresponds to plus 23. Twice corresponds to multiply by 2. And width can be represented by the variable of W. Therefore, when I put all of these things together, I get L is equal to 2W plus 23, which means the length of the rectangle is 23 centimeters longer than twice the width. Let's take a look at our first sentence. Perimeter corresponds to the total distance around a figure or a shape, and total means addition. And 172 centimeters is just 172. Since we're dealing with a rectangle, that means the equation for perimeter is 2L plus 2W is equal to 172.